Folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. All right, we're sitting at about 674 in the overnight session, so we'll keep that in mind as we move along. Checking our customers, they were in short to pop mode pretty strong on Friday again as we had that nice bounce from those overnight lows. Whale targets are at 660, 685, and then all the way up at 690. So currently another wide range to keep an eye on. So jumping into our dark pools for the moment, 682 is still our largest on the board, getting a little bit thin as we move along in between there. Next biggest one on the board is 671.78. So mark those on your charts or use the bot ping like I do. All right, now jumping into our gamma, keeping 674 in mind. So we're sitting right around this area right here. So ag says over 673, we get into a positive gamma cluster. It's 679. Below 673, 670 is the biggest pull on the ag, and that could slide us down to 664. So two pretty simple looks right there. We'll focus on these kind of tighter ranges for now, and then we'll go ahead and zoom out and take a look at our daily tomorrow, 11/17. Happy Monday, and see where we are. So one big pull down here at 660. Interesting to see, very far away from current price, about $14. So we need to see a little bit of a gap down and then bearish flow to get there. What we don't want tomorrow is really to ping pong in between all of these positive levels and have a choppy day. Ideally, we stay over 673 for bulls, over 675, and then get into the 678 range here as opposed to chopping around where we are sitting right now, which is right about here. Second biggest pull on the daily tomorrow is 681. So for some reason, we have a crazy bullish day with bullish flow. Keep that in mind if we can gamma ramp past all of that. But ideally, we can break through all this for bulls or break down into this area here for the bears. As always, keep an eye on net flow and your 0-day expiration stuff to see what's going on there as well. See where our biggest pulls are while we're live. All right, that is all for now. A little bit more complicated than I usually like. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.